Designed to eliminate struggles with independent eating, the Freedom Scoop Plate provides dining freedom. With one higher edge, the food falls into the utensil with an easy push, using little or no wrist or finger movement. Users reclaim independence day by day with every strain-free scoop. To prevent sliding while eating, flip the Freedom Scoop Plate and attach the suction pad by screwing the pad to the bottom of the plate as a jar lid. With its patented suction hold system, Freedom Dinnerware will not move. You can push or pull, and the suction will hold until you lift the bottom corner of the pad. It's vital to clean the pad and tabletop with water or window cleaner before use for maximum suction. To remove the scoop plate, simply grip the corner of the pad and pull upward until it's fully removed from the surface. It's important to place all food on the dinnerware after heating for safety reasons. Hot plates increase danger of burns when eating independently. To clean Freedom Dinnerware, reverse the attachment process and place in the top rack of the dishwasher. Freedom Dinnerware grants independence, to which we are all entitled.